Hello, this video is to show you how to create a Google Drive calendar and how to add any events you want to add to your Google Calendar. If you would like to know how to embed your Google Calendar into your Moodle page, that video is under Moodle on the instructional video site. Okay, so I'm already logged into my Google Drive page. I'm going to click on Calendar. The calendar automatically defaults to the week. You can come up here, you can see a daily view, monthly view, and however else you want to do it. I like to choose the monthly view, so I'm going to click on that. Google Drive usually automatically has a calendar in your name, but if you wanted to create a new calendar, or let's say you wanted different calendars for different classes, for example, to embed in your Moodle page, you would go to My Calendars, click on the little arrow, create new calendar. Once you create that calendar, you can give it a name. I'm going to give mine sample. I could have put English 3 class, English 4 class, whatever. You can give it a description. Down here, we want to definitely say share this calendar and make this calendar public. This is the only way that you'll be able to embed this calendar later into your into your Moodle page. And there's another way you can get to this after you've created the calendar. But why not just do it now? Make this calendar public. I want to go ahead and create the calendar. Yes. And the calendar will automatically be created in a second right here. Here's my sample calendar. So I have two calendars that I can add information to. I'm going to click on sample. You see the changes were saved. If I want to add something to the calendar, let's say on the 30th I have an appointment, what I'll do is I'll come down here come down here to the 30th, click. It says Monday, September the 30th. What's going on? Well, I have a 6 p.m. dinner at Chili's. Okay. And the calendar that it's going to is Desiree Alexander. But I don't want it to go to Desiree Alexander. I want it to go to the sample calendar. So make sure when you click on it, you're telling it what calendar you want this to post to. Okay? You can click Create Event. And there's my event right there. If I had this calendar, for example, posted to my Moodle page, this will automatically show up. There's nothing else I would have to do. If I've already embedded it, as that other video shows you how to do, that's all you have to do. I can again click on this and edit the event if I need to. It usually automatically goes to an hour, so if you needed to change that time, you can. If you needed to add more directions to it, if you want to give the event a certain color so you can see it better, if you wanted to add a reminder, just several things you can do to each event. You can discard changes, you can actually delete the event, or you can just go ahead and save it. It's there. Most of your Google Calendars will have your holidays already listed on it. If I just scroll down, I'm scrolling, if you can see up here, through all of the different months since I'm in my monthly view. I can just click today, the weekly view, daily view, 4 days, almost like a planner type of view, and an agenda, more of a list view. Again, I like the month view, so I'm going to click on that. Once I go to sample, of course, I can click this little button and I can go to my calendar settings. I can change different settings in the calendar if I would like to. You can kind of play around with the different settings. You can also customize the color, size, and other options before you paste it to a different website. You can see the colors that have been assigned to these separate things. And that is how you create a calendar in your Google Drive. I'm going to cancel this out. If you want to delete it, you can go right here to the little button. Calendar settings, scroll all the way down, permanently delete this calendar. And yes, I'm going to definitely permanently delete it for everyone. Click that, and that sample calendar and that date I put on it goes away. And that's how you create and edit a Google Drive calendar. Thank you.